Finally uVuma useyabona ukuthi ukwenza ubaluleke kangakanani empilweni ke kaSibongile. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 3rd to the 5th of February 2025 on Monday. Sibongile's family is worried about her well-being. At the risk of bringing shame to her family, Velepi leads a protest in her honor when Zeni is so determined to help Sibongile that she attempted to skip school on Tuesday. Sibongile is still traumatized after her ordeal. Vuma says how important Gwenzo is to Sibongile. Mavis and Nofundo both enter a chakalaka cooking competition. What could go wrong on Wednesday? Sibongile is inspired to reclaim her power upon her return to varsity, but much has changed that she doesn't understand. Patani discovers Samge had an ulterior motive for befriending her, while Samge has a surprise waiting at the factory reopening after party. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.